Haitian Flag Day, so you know the Zoes are about to turn up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sajin. If you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. This channel, guys, is about everything from beauty to life as a mom, me living in the Dominican Republic, so I'm gonna have different stuff being uploaded. But today I actually just want to talk to you guys about how to do a YouTube channel just using your phone. So this is something I wish someone kind of just simplified instead of just going to like a really extensive length, just explaining how to do it really simply, just using your phone. So I actually have my iPhone. I have an iPhone 8. I have a tripod and a laptop. Inside of it, a Mac laptop. It's a Toshiba. And that's what I use, guys, to kind of just edit my videos for Instagram, for YouTube. My very first YouTube video, guys, is horrible. It's trash. I genuinely apologize to myself and to you if you had to watch it. Guys, I'm talking so much in this video. It's really funny because I'm cringing. Please don't judge me. But the thing is, I actually didn't know how to record it, and I probably, after seeing so many tutorials and so many videos, I now know exactly what to do. And the very first thing, guys, is to never record your videos vertically. Always record it horizontally, because when you record it vertically, those two black boxes are what's going to show up, and it's horrible. It's terrible. Second of all, guys, never record your videos using your front camera. Always use your back camera. And if you go on your iPhone settings, I'm actually going to show you guys now, you can actually put it to the highest quality to record your videos. And third, when you guys are recording the videos, always stay closer to your phone. I'm using a microphone or anything, I'm just using, my regular camera, and you guys can probably hear me really well. And that's because I'm closer to my phone, so you can actually pick up the sound. Don't like back all the way up or just go like super far away from your phone. Just be as close to it as possible. So those are the things when it's just using your phone within itself. Now, the apps that I actually use to record my videos, I use iMovie to edit it. So iMovie is your best friend. It's free. Just download it on your phone and you can use it to record your videos. So the first app I use for editing is iMovie. And the second app that I use, I actually use an app called Film whenever I want to add music to my videos, because I just find that it's easier. But the thing with Film, the free version, it only lets you record up to 5 minutes of video time. So the thing is that I actually use when I'm not using Film is Documents. So you can actually download music from YouTube or from anywhere onto Documents, and then using that sound and adding it to your iMovie. So without further ado, I'm actually now just going to show you guys the apps that I use. Wow, I just went. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the apps that I'm actually using, and I'm going to show you this through a screen record. Obviously, the apps that I use are Fonto, Documents, Film, and iMovie. And there's actually a music app called Thematic. It's not an app, actually, it's a website. It's called Thematic, and that has royalty-free music that you guys can actually use, and you'll be able to monetize your YouTube with that music, because the owner of the website, or the co-founder of the website, actually was a YouTuber. So she found royalty-free music for YouTubers to use, and it's really, really great, guys. I definitely recommend using that. That's pretty much it, guys. Now let me show you how we can get this show started. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is open the iMovies app so you guys can see I had a couple of old projects there. That was a video that I did for Instagram. So we'll just use that, and I'm going to rewind it so you guys can see how you can use the app just with any movie or clip that you're doing. So if you guys actually press on any clip that you have there, you can split it and kind of just, separate the clips. You can delete some of them. If you guys press on that little thing that's right in the middle, and that's in the middle of both the clips, you can actually select what kind of transition you want. You can have no transition. You can just pick whatever kind of transition. You guys can also choose the kind of text that you want. So if you guys want to put any text on there, you can just press text. For some reason, at the moment of recording this, my text just didn't want to work. But you guys can press where you want the text to be. You guys can put whatever you want there. And you can obviously choose where you want it, if you want it to be centered or if you want it to be lowered. You can, it just wasn't working when I was trying, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, so what I'm going to do next, guys, is just add a video clip or just anything so you guys can see how to do it.
and you just press the little plus and you press on videos, and you'll see whatever options you want to add. I just clicked on any random one and just dragged it there. And that's just so you guys can see that you can add whatever kind of clips you guys want. It doesn't really matter what it is that you want to put there. If you press on the clip, you can actually put how fast or how slow you actually want it to be. Then when you're done, you just press done and you click on the little arrow that's down and press export project. When you press that, it's actually gonna show what you want it to be saved at, or the quality of it, I guess, and you just press 4K and you're pretty much done. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is show you how you can actually download music using the Documents app. So what you're gonna do first is obviously copy the link of the song that you want and then go to Y2MP3, put that link there and save it and download it on the Documents app. It's gonna kick you out of that app and send you to iTunes, but you obviously don't have to. You can just scroll past that and go back in the app. Now, once the song is downloaded, once you guys are done with that, what you're gonna do is you're going to press share, and when you press share, it's going to say copy to documents, and you're gonna press that button. Then you're gonna press OK, and it's going to be downloaded in the other Documents app. So you guys can press it to see if it's actually working. And over here you guys can see that mine obviously was working, so that wasn't my problem. And after that, guys, you're gonna actually save this to your iCloud drive, press downloads, and obviously now you can access that anywhere you can use your iCloud drive. So as soon as that's saved, you guys are gonna go to whatever app you want. I went to Film. That's like the app that I like to use whenever I want to add music. And you guys can see when you press files, that song comes up and you can add it to your video. I didn't add the songs, guys, for copyrighted purposes. But anyways, on to Fonto. So guys, obviously this is an app you can use to edit your thumbnails. The size that I'm putting is the thumbnail size that you have to have for YouTube, which is 1280 by 720. So you guys can put that after you press custom, and you guys can do whatever you want with this now. So this is basically just the blank template or the blank slate you're going to use for your thumbnail. So you guys can press add item, and you can add photos. I'm just going to pick any two random pics for us to kind of just use as an example today. So I took that picture, and you press size, so you can make it as big or as wide as you want it to be. I tend to like to use 2 photos for thumbnails, so I'm just going to drag that, and you have to make sure it's within the little box, like the width of the box. You definitely have to make sure that that's how it is. I'm going to add a second picture, and we're just going to make sure that it's the same size as the other one. So whatever size the first one was, that's what we're going to make the second one, and we're going to line them up to make sure that they're perfectly together and that they're both within the box. So once you guys have figured what pictures you want, you can now kind of just play around with it in regards to like sizing, to making sure it's like perfectly, sorry guys, I just got tongue tied, but to make sure that it's perfect within the box. You guys can add shapes, you can add different colors, you can kind of just play around with it and do whatever you want. You can add text. When you press the little blank space behind it, it lets you add text. You can put whatever text you want. You can make it whatever color you want. So I just put makeup and look, so you guys can just see how this works. You can really move the text around. You can make it as big as you want. You can put it in a different direction if you want it to tilt, if you want it to be upside down. You can choose whatever font you want. So it's really up to you guys as to what you want your thumbnail to look like. But I just think that this is the easiest way to edit your thumbnail, especially if you're a beginner and you really don't like want to spend too much time editing it. So when you guys are done, you can literally just press save image as PNG and you're done. So guys, if you liked what you saw today, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and see you guys next time.